everybody, happy Friday. We are headed to the beach, but something came to mind that I wanted to share real quick because it's kind of foundational to organizing. And you know, it's the weekend coming up, so I don't know about you, but I always have like one thing at least I'm going to organize this weekend. Because you know, your house can be organized, but things get out of control and have to be equalized again. So just because you get organized doesn't mean you're like done. You're always going to have something to reorganize. So I wanted to share this idea with you. I was talking with my friends the other day about it, and they're like, that is really good, you need to share that. So it's this left brain, right brain idea. So if you've probably heard your left brain, there's Chase. Your left brain is your analytical side, your right brain is your creative side, and you've probably heard that we're, you know, somebody's left brain dominant or right brain dominant, but we can all usually do both, right? But your brain, this is key, your brain does not like to do both at one time. Your brain has a hard time analyzing and being creative at the same time. So when you're going to organize anything, let's say it's a closet or a drawer or your car, or it could be an entire space like a garage or a bedroom or a kitchen pantry. So whether it's a space or a room, doesn't matter. You need to do left brain then right brain in how you do it. So what you want to do, and I call it gutting it, you want to take everything out as fast as possible, because gutting it is just your analyzing brain. So what you want to do is, I even make a game of it. When my husband and I have cleaned out things like the garage or anything like that, we'll make a game of it. Let's see how fast we can get everything out of this side of the garage or the whole garage, whatever it is. And we sort it into piles because we can analyze. This is definitely a trash item. This is definitely a donate. This is definitely figure out what to do with it in the garage. And this is definitely go somewhere else in the house or somewhere else. So we got like those 4 piles going on. And you can analyze that much very quickly. You can walk it out and have a go through pile, a donate pile, a trash, a go somewhere else pile. Then once that's done, because you've done it fast, you haven't spent your mental energy on that. You've just spent your physical energy getting it out. And we'll even go so far as to set a timer, have loud music, make it a game of who can get many more items out. You know, you only walking in one way, walking out the other. We do all kinds of crazy things to make it go really fast, this gutting it idea. And then comes the creative side. So, you know, after you've pulled everything out, now your stuff to go to the trash is easy, donate is easy. Stuff that goes somewhere else takes a little more energy, but putting it back is where your creative side comes in. I'll share another video on how you want to use zones, and I'll share some books that I've used as well, like that'll help you with that. But the first idea is whatever you're going to clean out, your best bet to get through it the fastest and with the least amount of emotion possible. Let's say it's you're cleaning out a parent's house and there's a lot of emotion tied to things or sentimental value. This is going to be your easiest way to do it quickly and without a lot of pushback, let's call it that, right? And so yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you. So if it's a drawer, take everything out. Don't try and pick up something and figure out what to do with it. That's the hardest, most painful way. You really want to just pull it all out and then start fresh and put things back. Clean it out real quick, make it nice and clean, and now put things back as they make sense. So I just wanted to share that with you. Hope that helps somebody, and happy organizing. Have a good weekend.